హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ యానిమల్స్ అండ్ దేర్ యంగ్ వన్స్. In one row you have to write names of animals. In another row you have to write their young ones, their baby animal. First animal is tiger. First animal is tiger. Baby animal is cub. Second one is elephant. Elephant. Their young one is calf. CALF, calf. Third one is lion. Their young one is cub. Fourth one is bear. Bear baby is cub. Here lion and bear babies are cub only. Next, rhino. Rhino. Younger one is calf. Next, fox. Fox younger one is pup. Fox and dog also pup. Here dog. Dog also pup. Giraffe. Calf. Monkey. Monkey's baby is infant. Infant. Crow. Chick. Hen also chick. Eagle. Eaglet. Eaglet. Cat. Cat baby is kitten. Kitten. Once again I repeat: tiger, cub, elephant, calf, lion also cub, bear also cub, fox and dog babies are pup. Their younger ones are pup. Giraffe, calf, monkey, infant, crow, chick, hen also chick, eagle, eaglet, eagle, eaglet. Next, cat, kitten, cat, kitten. These are the animals and their young ones. Animals and their babies. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.